Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you one of the most amazing feature of WhatsApp. So with this help of feature guys, you can easily able to share your WhatsApp status to other apps like Facebook, Instagram. So for this guys, just follow this method. Open the WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp status section. First, if you don't have updated your WhatsApp status, you need to update the WhatsApp status first. For example guys, I have selected this status. Just you need to post the WhatsApp status. Okay, after posting, here you can get one option, share to Facebook story. Just tap on it if you want to share your WhatsApp status to your Facebook. Okay, from here you can easily able to share that WhatsApp status to your Facebook story. So this is the first method. So second method is this guys. If you want to share your WhatsApp status to other app like Instagram, just here you can get three dots. Just tap on it. Once again tap on three dots and here you can get the option share. Just tap on it and it will show you all installed apps on your device. As you can see, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. From here guys, you can easily able to share your status to other apps. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.